Hey everyone, thank you for coming back to my channel. Today I'm gonna talk about a website, where you can make money, through designing the t-shirts. Let's say, for example, if you're, good at, designing your t-shirt, if you want to start a business based on, making t-shirt designs and go on the Upwork, so you can, check out this website. So let me tell you this website. This website is about the people who are already having the business. Is just like you'll be getting the advanced text editing for any of the t-shirts if you have the business. Okay. And there are like the most advanced magic recoloring skills as well. So you don't need that much skills or anything that if you're not good at editing or making designs on the t-shirts or any other. So you can check out this website where you will getting innovative texture clipping, use of automatic clipping to apply noisy paper or to younger designers the no time. So here you have unlimited content as well. You can build an illustration library, award-winning fonts and the photo catalogs as well. A lot of more than thousands of catalogs are included into this the website. So yeah, when you will be logging, you will get the theme like this at current. Okay, just like this. Let me tell you, it is an example of how the design is made. You can get this for, and there are some editing tools like you can click, for example. I just want to go for this. Yeah. Let me sorry for that. Yeah, you can get this over here, or edit or anything that you want. You can put the ad, you can put the elements, like if you want to edit it more, and uploads, if you want to upload anything, or if you want to add any image into this. There are like some textures included in it, like how the texture should be. Okay, and the image generator, so it's like an AI image generator. You just have to describe what kind of image you're looking for. So definitely you'll be getting all the features over here into this. So it's a mock-up. Like, let's see how it works. The fallen, create markup. So this is how it goes. You can check out this, like if you want. It depends upon you, like where you want to add this logo. Even you can increase the size of it, and it's a mock-up. How the design will look into the, you can then download it and go on for the printing. And yeah, definitely this is how it will be working. So it's not a big deal. It has one of the greatest features that is defined over here, shading text effects, vector ornament library, shapes banner. You can upload custom designs as well. And one more thing into this as well, if you want to be the partners on, if you're an influencer, you can upload it for your YouTube channel. You can if you're affiliate, you can earn some like a good money through sharing your this website. You just have to register as an affiliate and promote it to the audience, and you get paid for like it's a 20% for all the 12 months. So yeah, here it is also written like where you can promote it. You can promote it on social media, blog, and newsletter as well. For applying affiliate, you just have to go for the join now, and apply for the affiliate program as well. So you will be earning, it's like a side hustle for you. So thank you so much, guys, for taking this to subscribe my channel, and I'll get back to you with a new video. Thank you. Great day. Hey everyone, thank you for coming